What you did different is that you disobeyed the rules that the grid was given. We were told to share ourselves into groups, and the head of us and deputy decided to share people how they saw fit, and we shared it, and you decided to make your own problems our own problems.
Okay,
you don't say that, my friend.
You shared the group.
We shared the group.
Yes,
so
you
why
guys.
do you say that you don't have to be able to do that which way?
You guys shared.
There was a commotion in the house after Biggie called Erica to give a tax brief. Little did we know that this was going to cause commotion between the housemates. Erica, who is the current head of house, read out the instruction as usual, and according to the instructions, the housemates were supposed to share their groups among themselves. Erica and her deputy Prince decided to share the group by picking their team members. Coincidentally, Lucy fell into Erica and Kiddwaya's group, and this was where the problem started. Lucy said she wanted to switch teams because she was not interested in being in the same teams with Erica and Kiddwaya. She made this statement to Neo, who then raised his voice and told her that she couldn't do that, knowing fully well that if she made that move, others will suit, causing disorganization in the house. Other housemates called Lucy out on that decision, asking her why she was always the one bringing discord in the house. Lucy got upset and asked the housemates why they were picking on her, citing an example of when Erica and Kiddwaya had switched group member in another task because they did not want to work with Lucy. According to Lucy, "I'm just doing them a favor," she said, "because the other time they said they don't want to work with me, so let me just do them a favor and leave the group." While Lucy and Neo were the ones shouting at each other at first, hearing that statement, Erica started screaming at Lucy, diverting Lucy's attention from Neo to her. Erica's colleagues tried to calm her down, reminding her that she was already on 2 strikes and it thought would be an automatic disqualification. Prince, who is the deputy HOA, decided to calm the situation and give Lucy a piece of advice, but that quickly went south as well. Prince told Lucy that although he is her friend, he will tell her the truth, and in this case, she is wrong. Lucy was not having this and kept asking Prince, "What did I do wrong?" And after Prince tried several times to calm her down, he resorted to shouting at her, saying, "Why does she have to bring her personal feelings into group work?" He said he tried over and over to tell her the error in her ways, but she has adamantly refused to learn. After this series of fights, Neo, who had escalated the issue, came between Lucy and Prince to calm them down, reminding that they had limited time to work on this sponsored tax. So guys, that was what went down this afternoon in the Bbnaija lockdown house. The house was literally on fire, and thank God nobody got hurt in the process. So in the end, they prepared for the tax and they went for the business of the day. So guys, is it possible that every housemate, including Dorothy and Prince, who happen to be her friends in the house, are also ganging up against her? Or is it Lucy who is wrong? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.